Hi everyone, my name is Tim Eit, Product Manager at Seco Tools in North America, and today I'm going to talk about new products coming out for the 2020.1 product release from Seco Tools. You will see several exciting new products and innovations sure to help you in your manufacturing processes. One of the new products for Seco Tools is a modular quick change solution for small part machining, commonly called Swiss machining. The new product features a very easy to use modular design. The accurate two-piece design allows for quick removal and installation of the head, allowing you to index the insert outside of the machine. No more lost screws in the chip bed, less machine downtime, and repeatable accuracy on the heads within 0.5 of an inch. Just change the head and go. Next in line is a range edition of the Jedi ISO tool holders. These are external insert holders featuring an easy-to-use, cool and through insert clamp. The new Jedi system builds upon the already existing Jetstream and Jetstream Duo tooling systems. The Jedi version provides a cool and through experience without the use of external hoses that can sometimes interfere in the cutting process. The insert is clamped and secured efficiently, and the cool and through offers improved chip control and tool life. High-velocity aluminum machining is commonly found in the aerospace industry and used on high-speed spindle machines. The new series from Niagara come in two versions for two types of applications and machine types. The other item is a range addition to Seco's already popular AeroMaster indexable series for aluminum machining. The new addition features a smaller insert that allows for smaller diameters, which are commonly needed in this machining area. Two solutions and a smaller diameter range for aluminum machining. The solid carbide solution allows for very high metal removal rate, while the indexable version delivers very good metal removal and a low cost per edge. Imagine our high-performance turbo mill with 4 cutting edges. The double turbo mill delivers on that performance along with a double-sided insert. This solution offers a very high helix that lowers the cutting forces, providing a smooth cutting action and excellent surface finish. Versatility is the main feature of the product, allowing for effective cutting in materials including steel, cast iron, stainless steel, and high-temp materials. And the double turbo mill is versatile enough to perform a variety of functions from everyday facing and square shoulder milling to plunge milling and even some light ramping. The round insert button cutters in both size 10mm and 16mm have received an upgrade that include the anti-rotation feature we see today in our 12mm button series. Anti-rotation prevents the insert from rotating in the insert pocket due to demanding operations, ensuring you get excellent application security as well as predictable tool life. Another range addition and upgrade is the Universal Solid Carbide Drill for Seco Tools, which replaces the Niagara Universal Drill. The new drill features an all-new coating design that offers an increase in tool life by as much as 10%. In addition, the new drill series includes an 8xD and a 12xD drill, which makes for a complete range of solid drill products. Tool holders are another range of products receiving an upgrade and a few new items to complement what is on the range today. The Combi Master Series is getting several range additions in the M20 size to support the many indexable milling heads in 40mm and 1.5 inches. Then there's the upgrade for all shell mill holders and side lock and mill holders. New nomenclature descriptions will make it easier than ever to identify what the product is, and the new side lock holders receive coolant through capability, which will direct coolant directly to the flutes of the tool. For more information about these new products, check out the Seco News 2020.1 page on secotools.com. For support on your metal cutting challenges, contact your local Seco representative or reach out to us through our website at secotools.com/contact us. As always, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest videos from Seco Tools. Thanks for watching.